Hi, today we will design a cutter in the shape of a flower with a nice 3D effect, and we will do it in Shapr3D on computer. In the description of the video, in the comment section, you can find the files used in this tutorial. You can download the free STL files with these cutters into sizes, so feel free to do it. Okay, so we will start with clicking top view, and we go to the sketch, circle, and let's draw a circle about 15 millimeters. And we click exit sketching, we click the circle and we go to options and we find pattern. We change it to 8. And with our mouse we get this circle from here, outside of the circle around here, and with mouse clicking and rotating 360 degrees. Okay, we click anywhere, then you can see here is this constraint icon. We need to click it and delete this icon so that the circles are not constrained anymore. Very good. Then we go scissors icon, trim. Let's trim all the stuff inside and just leave the outline of a shape. Okay, you can exit sketching. And now when it's done, you have to be careful about one thing here. The edges and these points here, that it is quite sharp. So while printing this part, it can be problematic for some printers. The model can have some little holes here, so you can leave it like here, but I will make a small adjustment. I will tell you in a second. So let's go to sketch mode, draw a circle again from the middle. Okay, let's draw a circle as that goes outside of this edge here, but not as far as this one. So we can click the circle and change it a little bit. Now it's 32.2. Let's make it 31.2. .7, for instance. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, yeah, it looks good now. Yeah, so we go to trim mode. And now we will trim it here. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, perfect. When it's done, we can draw a line and check the size of our cutter. It's quite big, 34 millimeters, so we can make it smaller. So exit sketching, then we go to the scale and we can scale it down a little bit. And then with the line tool, you can check, it's more or less 25 millimeters, it's okay. Perfect. Then we double click on the outline, we go to offset edge, and we can change to loop. And let's change it to 0.4. Again, we click on this line, on the outer line, make another offset, 0.6 millimeters. Click here, click on the outline, and the last one for handling, 2.5 millimeters. And we click somewhere here, exit sketch. Yeah, it looks good. So now we need to make the middle. So we go to the line As if you see, there are 2 points here, 2 points, endpoints, 2 endpoints here. So let's connect all the right endpoints from the pair to the middle. So with the line tool, we just click and we go to the middle. The right one, click, go to the middle, and just repeat for every one of them. Last thing we will do before extruding, we have to make this one a little bit wider. So about all of these lines will be extruded. So we needed like 0.6 millimeters. So we click the line here, go to offset mode, but not loop. We choose single this time. And we go 0.3. Again, we click the same line and minus 0.3. Click this one, offset 0.3. Again, clicking the line and minus 0.3. And you repeat it for the rest of those lines here. Very good. Then we go to sketch mode with circle. And in the middle, we draw a circle about 6 millimeters. Okay. We click the circle again, go to offset edge and minus 0.6 millimeters offset. Okay, very good. Then we go to trim, so the scissors, or you can press T in the keyboard as well. Let's trim, it's here. And you have to be in a edit mode. So when the T is not working, you just click one of the lines and go with a trim tool, and you can trim all the stuff inside here. So let's start with removing this stuff. When none of the lines are connected to the circle, you can edit, mark all of them, and just click delete on the keyboard. It's a little bit faster. Okay, let's trim it, all the stuff here. Yes, very good. And now the last thing we will do before making an extrusion, you can see this line, these lines here, they all should be connected to these endpoints here. So what we need to do, go to the sketch mode, we click on the line, we always click on the line, then we take this endpoint here, and and when the other lines are in the orange, so the intersection is good now. So they are joined together, we click. And we repeat it for every single one of them. And this is the last thing we will do. So you have to check if all of these 1, 2, 3 lines, they need to be connected. In fact, this one and this one, because the middle one will be removed in a second. You can check if all the lines are correctly connected when you move your mouse over every shape here. It should be highlighted like this, every single one of them. So let's go to trim, just remove the middle ones. Then we exit sketching, click this part, and this arrow here, extrusion, extrude or E, and change it to 2 millimeters. Then we go here, extrusion 10 millimeters. Go here, the blade 14 millimeters. And then with holding Shift key, we'll mark all this stuff here. Click the arrow, change it to 12.7 millimeters. Perfect. Okay, and that's it. Our cutter is done, and extrusion is good. So I think we will try it out in a printer now. If you like this video, please subscribe for more, comment if you have any questions, and feel free to download the STL files in 2 sizes for this particular cutter. You can find the link in the description and in the comment section as well. So now we will export it to STL file and we will print it. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.